Review for April 5th. First up, I've got Csco, Csco. Had a nice gap up on the open here. Did not trigger me in 5 cents above the open, so I waited for a pullback. Got in right here to test this 8 EMA. Rode it up as long as I could until I saw what looked like a topping tail. Was essentially looking at this as a resistance, and it did confirm once it fell back below 33.50. Went ahead and closed position. Next, Monster Beverage, Mnst. Yesterday I talked about waiting for a move here to test support and getting in. It actually opened up lower and came down and actually pushed above with strength. So once that happened, went ahead, jumped in just over my level here, kept my stop loss just below the breakout. Otherwise it would have been a failed breakout. And rode it up until I saw what looked like happened to be a top. Next, MPC Marathon Pypl. It was another gap up on the open, did not give me a gap and go entry. So again, wait for the test of support, come down to my 8 EMA, got a little bit of a bounce, almost caught the bottom. Decent entry there, stop loss right below my breakout level again. And once we had what looks like price action rolling over, went ahead and closed it out. These green candles, nice little consolidation right before my target. I decided to hold it on support, and it kind of gave me a little bit of consolidation right here. My stop loss did move up tight to around 50.79 here at this point and did not break below it, so held on a little bit longer. Turned out to be a pretty good trade. Next, MU Micron. Could give me a gap and go entry. Got in about 5 cents over the open, stop loss just below it, and it was a little bit of back and forth here battle until it eventually did break it and make some new highs there. This first one actually trailed me out. I wasn't interested in holding it through much more of this choppy price action. Didn't really start trending, so I decided it was time to take some profit. Next, Noble Energy and BL did give me another gap and go entry. Got in about 5-6 cents over the open, held it about 20-24 minutes. Once I got a top and it started moving down here below this green candle, it was time to go ahead and take it out. Next, OXY, Occidental Petroleum. Turned into be a really good trade as well. Gap and go type entry, stop loss just below the open. Once it all settled in for the first 5 minutes, gave me a bit of a wick here to keep an eye on. It came up, tried to break above it, gave you a lot of tails up here, and then sellers eventually just took over. Once it broke below my moving averages and the VWAP, I went ahead and got out. Pypl is up next. There's another gap up entry, didn't give me a gap and go setup, but came down, tested support, bounced back over. Once it retook the opening price is when I decided it was time to go ahead and get in. Came up here, my initial target was 43, which is where I took out my first position. Kept it on my watch for later on. It was a nice little flag consolidation type move right here. I got back in just over 43.09, or excuse me, right at 43.09, and the stop loss just below this consolidation candle here worked out to be a pretty nice trade as well. Next, I've got PHG Tenet Healthcare. Again, another gap and go entry. When these gap ups work like this, it's really good. They're turning to be very nice trades. Came up, hit my target, stayed as a green candle. There was nothing that showed me on 1 or 2 minutes time frame to close it out. So just moved my stop up here to over my break even. So that's a great position to be in. Went ahead, waited for a break below a red candle, and that's where it closed out. Next up, XLE, another gap and go candle. Again, about 5 cents, 6 cents over the opening price. Stop loss just below that opening range. Price ran up and gave me a first topping tail here, and then once it broke below that red candle, that was my signal to get out. XOM, ExxonMobil, another one that gapped up, didn't quite come all the way back down to support, but once it gave me a break over this green hammer right here, it was time to go ahead and get in. Took a position, then you had this small little inverted hammer up here, break below that got me out, and as you can see, it kind of had a little bit of a reversal there mid-morning. That'd be all my trades for the day. It was 12 winners, 0 losers.